Hey yo, you know as you can see, nigga just dropped this shit, this little freestyle. You wanna check it out, man? You know what I'm saying? That's how we doing fucking dude.
Hey, 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 hey. Fresh off the plane, fresh off the plane. All my bags full of motherfucking Mary Jane. Fresh off the plane, I'm fresh off the plane. And another bag full of fucking grain. I got so much cheddar in my bag that if they try to detect it, it might even crash. All I do is flouse, flex. I'm up next. So bitch, give me neck. Then I dip check. I got you in this like a roll call. Who's first to get served on this beat until even get murked? Leave your head gone while your body rotting in the hearse. And I keep it from decoration so I know that you was murked. Imitating, faking, hating niggas always trying to be me. They can't even compete. They can't even see me. My chain is in 3D. Nigga R.I.P. If you try to check it, I'ma leave your ass sleeping. Hold on. Niggas think they got me, but I'm at the throne. And I be feeling it. I do this shit, I'm going strong. Never slipping, but I'm always pimping. Every bitch I hit, wrap it up, I'm instantly. And that cat beat it up straight. And I go hard, I don't play. Niggas think it's Nintendo, but no, I don't play. Ayy. Why I like the J, take it to the face. I beat that pussy up and make her hit the weight. Hit the hate. I push up in that pussy. I'm counting cash. Never been a rookie. My investments kinda in the millions. Fresh off the plane, man, the nigga chillin'.